Greetings! My name is Nino Castro and this is the Indigo Alchemist. If you are a denim enthusiast and want to learn more about how denim is made nowadays, this is your channel. Make sure to subscribe to be on top of the latest techniques for denim finishes on the market. This video is part of a group of tutorials focused on laser design for denim. Enough talk, let's get hands-on. Let's talk vintage today. Denim is most probably the one piece of clothing that everybody owns. From its origin in Europe, its slow expansion as heavy-duty clothing, to today must-have fashion staple. Denim is simply cool. The industry is clever and quickly adapted to using manual labor and big machines to get the job done. The manual part limits options to easy hand strokes and high quality tolerance. Today this job is done more and more by machines that use laser to perfectly fade the surface of the jean. This technology allows us to be more precise and creative. With some digital editing skill, solid knowledge on human body ergonomics, and understanding of cause and effect of the interaction of fabric with the body, we will be able to create the most stunning vintage laser designs. Let's start with an X-ray of a jeans wear pattern. At the front, we have several elements: whiskers, chevrons, thigh, knee. At the back, we have the seat, back knee, and calf. Shadows are areas prevented from fading. Each element is the manifestation of different events that repeat through time over and over. One element is human ergonomics. The way we move is going to determine how our jeans is going to fade. Tensile forces occur along the surface of the pants when the body moves wearing it. Multiple layers on seams or peaks on folds will resist mechanical action and fade more quickly. Composition will affect as well. The more cotton content, the more it will fade. Lastly, that mechanical action is any external force applied directly on the surface, brushing off your hands or pulling things out of your pocket. All of the elements are native to their location on the garment and only will manifest if the wearer actively wears the pant. Whiskers and back knees are usually horizontal. They appear because the body bends and forms straight creases on the surface of your jean. Whiskers tend to be stronger on edges and fade towards the fly and crotch. Since the back knees are placed separately on each leg, they appear more honeycomb-like. The display of alternative high-lows and fades adds a 3D look. Chevrons, on the other hand, happen when the pant resists your movement. Diagonal creases start on the inner seam and fade down into the thigh. To create any of the previous elements, we would want to start with a faded circle. Use the ellipse selection tool and play with the feather. Create a new layer and fill it with only black color. Deselect and use the transform and warp tool to form the right shape. A feathered polygonal lasso tool is very helpful to delete parts you don't need. Play with opacity and duplicate the layer to achieve different effects. Once satisfied, place your finished whisker over the required area and duplicate and invert to create a shadow to enhance the 3D effect. The thigh, knee, seat, and calf manifest due to compression and planar friction. Riding a bike or wearing a wallet in your pocket will give you distinctive marks on your jeans. The principle to create those elements is the same as for the whisker family, but shaping is quite different. Actually, this technique is more used to highlight or hide hotspots on the design. The improvement of photography and design tools like Photoshop allow us nowadays to extract the base of a design directly from a picture with much better results. Put in a little work following my tips and you will get some really cool results that actually look natural. I hope you find these tricks useful. Let me know your comments below and thanks for watching.